Hello guys, here's Adam from ESA. Today I'm coming to Guangzhou IMO Catering Equipment Limited Corporation. Our company is a comprehensive enterprise of special studied, designed, production, sales of China West kitchen equipment, kitchen project, and the hotel articles. What's more, our company can also provide a guarantee to ensure the product quality, which is strictly in terms of the kitchen equipment for manufacturing high quality and reliable products. So without further ado, let's get started. Here is our showroom. As you can see that there are different kinds of kitchen equipment here, right? Maybe you are wondering what technologies advantages that our company has. And in this part, I will show you some hot sales items to you.
You can find our kitchen, refrigeration equipment, stainless steel manufacturing, linen, ceramic, glass, and etc. Hotel and kitchen commodity at our online mall at home easily. At the same time, we have set the quotation way. Just click the commodity you need. We will have the special staff provide the online service for you, including the performance consultancy, specification, material, delivery time, payment terms, after-sales service, and related translation and commercial inquiry service, and etc. All the customers who bought at our online mall will be our VIP member and get the value of money. We guarantee our price will be market lowest on the same type and quality commodity, because we adopt the model from manufacturer to the customers directly without any middle trading link. Apart from this, we have our own factory, sales showroom, and overseas maintenance service net includes France, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Angola, India, Pakistan, Cambodia, Maldives, Malaysia, and etc. Products mostly exported to Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa with relevant certificate approving.
Alright, we have gone through all the products for today, and thanks for your listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, just feel free to contact us in any time, and I hope to make friends with you through the cooperation. Thank you.
ESA.com. Make global trade easier.